Today I'm unboxing the Vessel's Leather Bullet Journal Notebook Drawing Pad in A5 in coffee color. All in all, the price I paid for this is 365.32 pesos or around $6.56. Quite a big difference from my Traveler's Company TN, which costs around 4,000 pesos or $72. I bought this because I want to compare it to my Traveler's Notebook in Camel color. As I tear off and remove this plastic, I'm greeted with this nice label thin paper covering and plastic sleeve, which is really nice considering the price point. I really like the color that I picked out for this one, but I guess I should have bought a different color because every time I need to get one of this or my Traveler's Company one, I get the wrong thing because from the top on my bag, it looks almost the same. The PU leather material feels hard to touch but not in a bad way. It feels sturdy, and as you can see, there's a Punch and Vessel's branding on the lower right portion of the front. Inside, I was surprised to find two inserts with zipper lock and card slots, as well as two free inserts, one lined and one blank. Very good value, especially considering the price point. Here, I'm showing the attachment for the stretchable string band, which is in the spine as opposed to the back of the leather in Traveler's Company. There are two inserts, one blank and one lined. Well, for some reason, I bought two refills, which I thought would be grid lined, but I guess I clicked on the wrong thing. So this is just plain lined ones. But I didn't insert this yet because there are already two free ones. The paper here feels a little bit thick, which is good, and you'll see later when I do the writing test how it fares. Here I am doing a writing test using some of my fountain pens. This one in particular is a Sailor Prophet Jr. that I bought with my Traveler's Company notebook. They are mostly good with some ink visible on the other side of the page on some of my darker inks, but no bleed through noted with every fountain pen. So you can use this for journaling and commonplacing. So this one has diamine ink, a little darker than the Sailor one we tried. As you can see with this one, also no bleed through. Next one, we have Platinum Place here in black ink. As you can see here, you can kind of see the ink written through it, but no bleed through whatsoever. I also like that there's a pen slot here. So when you buy it for $6.56, it's an almost complete package. A very good value for your money. Perfect for those in a budget and wants to just try journaling or commonplacing, or wanted an everyday carry that won't break the bank. So have you tried the Vessel's Company journal? If not, what other alternatives for Traveler's Company have you tried or want me to try? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you again on the next video. Bye!